You might be killing your car's engine, and your good driving habits are the silent culprit. Today, we're flipping the script on everything you think you know about engine care. The truth is, treating your machine like it's made of glass is a slow and certain path to failure. It was built for stress, for load, for real work. When you deny it that purpose, you invite internal decay you'll never see coming. This isn't about a defective part or a factory error. The blame sits with the driver. That gradual loss of power, that mysterious dip in your oil level between changes. Everyone points fingers at gaskets or engineering, but often, the real issue is you. If you constantly short shift, avoid the highway, and never let the engine breathe, you're creating a perfect storm inside. Combustion leaves behind a hard black residue. Think of it like plaque in an artery. This gunk builds up on piston crowns, around the rings, and on the back of valves, the very components that need to move freely and seal perfectly. When carbon jams the oil control rings in their grooves, your engine starts burning oil it was designed to contain. And what about your emission systems? They're engineered to stay clean through proper hot operating cycles. Gentle, low-temperature driving instead coats them in soot. They clog, they overheat, and your power plant slowly turns into an inefficient, dirty furnace. Performance drops, parts wear out prematurely, a repair bill waiting to happen. Then one day you finally need that power. You press the accelerator to the floor, and nothing. The response is dull, lethargic. Why? Because those carbon deposits are thermal insulators. They create localized hotspots inside the chamber. This can make the fuel-air mixture ignite on its own, a condition known as knock. Your sensors freak out, the computer pulls timing, and your already struggling engine now faces peak cylinder pressures in its weakest state. This is how you silently murder an engine's lifespan. So what's the prescription? Machines need to be exercised. They require full heat cycles, genuine load, and revolutions that push oil at high pressure through every passage. An engine rots from disuse, not from duty. You must use its full range, not recklessly but regularly and with purpose. A sustained highway run or a confident full-throttle pull through a gear does wonders. It burns off condensed moisture from the oil, clears out developing carbon, and ensures everything moves and lubricates as intended. Don't purchase a performance vehicle just to idle it through a commute. That's a slow poison of short trips and constant babying. The goal isn't to abuse the machinery, but to use it correctly. Let it reach a true, stable operating temperature. Let it breathe. Allow the oil to get hot enough to properly protect and clean. This is the fundamental path to real-world reliability, efficiency, and longevity. A clean engine is a happy, powerful, and responsive engine. It will deliver the performance it promised on the showroom floor for years longer. Use it properly. Reward it with the occasional vigorous run. It will reward you with a long, healthy, and dependable life. You're not saving it by being gentle, you're starving it. Before you go try this on a neglected car, a word of caution. If you suspect severe buildup, address that first. This isn't an absolute rule for every single engine configuration, and it all hinges on consistent, proper maintenance. If this changed your perspective, hit the like button. For more truths that defy garage myths, subscribe to Gearverse.